Arborea Whipping Cream. For over 60 years, Arborea has been committed to producing natural, high-quality products from the fascinating Sardinian island. Arborea Whipping Cream is characterized by a rich and tasty flavor, making it ideal for the creation of whipped cream and all sorts of delicious desserts. Pour the whipping cream into a planetary mixer, add sugar and whip until the cream reaches a rich, creamy consistency. Cut your mango into thin slices. Set your first meringue disc on a plate and smoothly spread the cream. Repeat this step for both discs. Decorate the cake to your liking by using mixed berries, mango slices, mini meringues, caramel shards, and mint leaves.